Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Keyframe grab to create smooth animation in CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already opened my CapCut PC application and I'm going to add my photo to the CapCut project, and then I'm going to add Keyframe guys. I'm going to select my photo and go to the basic, and I'm going to add Keyframe to the beginning and also to the end part of this photo. Okay, and then I'm going to zoom in for the first part. Okay, and then I'm going to show you how we can add grab to the keyframes. Between two keyframes. So you can right click and then you're going to click on show variable speed animation. And I'm going to right click and preset curves, and then I'm going to choose this one, or actually you can choose the curves that you need, and I'm gonna go with this one, or you can create custom curve right here, but for me I'm just going to use the preset. Okay, and now the grab has been added, and then I'm going to play it guys. And let's see how it looks. Okay guys, and that's how we can use Keyframe grab to create smooth animation in CapCut PC. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!